This is a tutorial to show how to use the HTML editor to make your EDOF offers look prettier in the way that they're presented on the page. So at the moment I've created a demo course based on a program that I've created for a Piplet exam, and so I've copied and pasted straight from the document, as I'm sure many people have done, with bullet points and with bold and colors and whatever, and put that straight into my description, content, and demo of the demo course. And so if I go to my action de formation to see the page where that's displayed, copy the URL, and we'll see that all that beautiful the formatting has disappeared, and you've got lots of these little question marks and stuff. So there's a problem there, which is that the system is looking for HTML code. So what we need to do is go back into our description, find our descriptions. So you can see that the things that I copied and pasted didn't even copy and paste right. So just erase all of that. Content and objectives. Go to my editor, get my program, copy and paste the text that I want directly into the editor here, and then it already will detect what I'm trying to do and put in the sort of code the way it's supposed to be, to enable me to put in special characters and apostrophes and all that sort of stuff. So just to give you an example, I don't need to change anything here. I could just take that straight from the right side, what has been put in there. I can copy that and go back to my EDOF, put that in there. So you can see it looks like sort of gobbledygook, but that's what we want. And the content as well. Take my content, put that into the editor. So erase all the stuff that I've just done, put that in there instead, and that will put it in exactly the way it's supposed to be. So this gobbledygook on the right is what EDOF is looking for. So copy that back into there. So now that I've done that, if I save modifications, go back to the URL that displays the data for the client, then refresh that page, and now it is properly displayed with bullet points, bold, all the spaces, line breaks, all the things that you're missing if you don't do this technique. So you can take it further. You can do things like adding links to text. You can add images, bold, color, whatever you need for your training course. But I hope that helps. Anything that you do on this left side, all you have to do is copy what's on the right side. Vice versa, just to mention, I think it's important. If you are trying to edit something you've already done, the way to do it is to go back into modify, go to what you've done already, so this for example, and copy all of that back into the editor. And more importantly, do not copy it where you've done before on the left side, because then that won't work. It'll just come out like nonsense. Copy it onto the right side, paste, and then that EDOF text comes out correctly as the descriptions, etc. on the left side. So yeah, I hope that helps. Good luck.